Good morning and welcome to the shed. So I've been bargain hunting again. This morning I went to the flea market. Didn't find any planes or tools, but I managed to pick up this. This is a metal detector. It's a Bandido made by Tesoro, which is an American company, I think. I paid £5. I took a bit of a chance. I don't know if it works. We're going to find out in a moment. But yeah, I think for £5, definite bargain. Did a bit of research when I got home. This is apparently a bit of an 80s classic. So hopefully I'll end up with a very cheap bargain metal detector that's pretty good. Let's see if we can get it working. I went and bought some batteries. I haven't touched it yet, I promise. Okay, let's do it. First thing to do is to give it a good old clean with some soapy water and take it apart. Over to the bench. I'm going to clean it before we test to see if it works. So, cable. I think this is the most likely piece to be dodgy. Apparently it's a waterproof model, so we might be alright. Cable does look a bit old, but I'm sure I can get a replacement. The actual unit's had quite a bit of usage by the looks of things, but then it is 30 plus years old, 35 years old. It's a long old cable. I suppose it's because it can be hip mounted. So this unit here can come off, you can mount it on your hip if you want a lighter mounted version. I did used to do some metal detecting a little while ago, also when I was in my youth. So it's a hobby that I have done before, but I haven't got anywhere around here that I can go. So if I decide to carry on, I'll have to find the local farmer and get friendly with him. Okay. That is the coil removed and the cable, and then I think this should slide off. Yep, it does. And this also should. Okay, that's the unit off. It is an adjustable pole. It doesn't seem to want to move, so trusty WD-40. I'm just going to get my gloves on because I don't like the smell of that stuff. Do not want to break it. Okay, that's now 2 pieces. Okay, soapy water. Give it a clean. Now it is a waterproof model, but I'm not going to immerse the whole thing. I can get away with actually, you know what, I'm not even going to immerse that, I'm just going to wipe it. Sticker's coming off a bit, which is a shame. Never mind. Looks like it's been in somebody's shed for a few years, but it has had some use in its time. So hopefully when it was put away, it was working. 10 minutes and we'll know. Now the base unit, I've noticed that one of these battery things is a bit wobbly, so I might have to try and do something like that if we can. Right, yeah, it does come off, that can go in there. 2 PP3s, which I've bought. I did open it up just to check that there wasn't a whole load of battery acid in there, and so that I knew which batteries to buy. some marks on the label there. They're not coming off. Might need something a bit stronger on there. The headphone sockets are rusty, and the nuts underneath the other knobs are also rusty. If I can get some of those, I might replace them. Probably is worth doing. I managed to download a manual for this, so I should be able to work out how it works. It's very similar to, I had a Compass previously, which is another old classic. I think it looks pretty much the same. I don't think my one had ground balance on it though, so need to work that out. Yeah, these little catches are missing a few of their little bits. Might be enough to hold it in place, I'm not sure. Okay, that's that. It's a bit dull, so a bit of WD will do to that. That will look nicer, definitely. Okay. Okay, let's put it back together. Probably could do with cleaning that in there, really. Got a bit of WD in there. That's better. Gets a bit tight in there. Must be some more rubbish in there, I think. Might give that another clean later. Okay, that's my handle. And the coil. Just going to put a tie wrap around there just to take a bit of the strain. As long as that's got room to move, we'll be fine. Okay, let's wrap that round. Schoolboy error. Every time I do something silly. This time I forgot to put the unit on first. That's the unit fitted. Okay, a couple of fresh batteries, good quality ones. I don't have any headphones, so I'll have to get some of those if it does work, that is. So 2 PP3s. Well, there's my first problem. There's a connector missing off that one. Have I got one of these somewhere? So I do have a connector, battery connector, which is very lucky. I guess that's probably the reason it got parked up over many years ago. That one's still a little bit dodgy, but I think that'll be okay. Right, I'm just going to tack this on the end. I'm not going to take it back to the board. Just give these wires a little tinning. Now the only problem that I've got is I've got a bit of extra wire, but I think we'll be okay. Hopefully that should make a good circuit. Oh, bloody hell. I think it's switched on. That, I think, is a good sign. So I'm not sure which way these batteries are supposed to go. Well, we might do. And these don't clip in properly. I mean, it's holding, not too good though. Okay, so I think something's working. Let's see what happens when we turn it on. Well, something's working. I'm going to go outside. Well, first of all, I'm going on YouTube to find out how to set this thing up, and then I'll be back. I kind of know how it works. I need to do a bit of experimenting. So, when you turn it on, you get a battery check like so. And I have set it up, so I'm getting some targets there. This is my lawn, so there's a load of rubbish in this lawn. Oh look, I found 2p. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, another signal. A £2 coin. There you go, it works. Now I need to find somewhere where I can actually use it properly. Okay, I think that definitely counts as a bargain. £5, a couple of batteries. I will buy myself some headphones, but yeah, I think I'm up and running. Another hobby to add to my list. Okay, thanks very much for watching. See you soon.